Hello and welcome to this quick and easy tutorial on how to apply your beautiful personalized MacBook and laptop skins. Carefully remove your skin from the backing sheet as shown. Gently smooth out bubbles. Use a cloth to smooth edges and ease out any bubbles. Don't worry if you have any problems. You can easily remove the skin and start again. For an extra snug fit, you can use some gentle heat from a hairdryer. Wrap's custom skins and decals are perfect for DJs' branding, company logos, or your favorite photos of friends, family, or even pets. And that's it. Beautifully personalized protection from Wraps. For more help, visit wraps.com or email us info@wraps.com. Thanks for watching.